Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of find players in on the leaderboard. So go to career and then go to leaderboard. I can't talk very well. And this is for episode 5 act 2. For instance, you want to find PRX, you can do that. Press enter, and then it's going to show you that they're in Immortal. I think that's them. I'm not sure, but let's see if I can find my friend here. Oh, I think it's like this or something. Oh, you can find my friend here. He's Immortal 1. And you can also find in episodes, in other episodes, but for this you can go as episode 2 act 1. I'm not even sure there was an episode 1. Probably there was. I wasn't there for that. But I never got to Immortal, so that's great. But that's pretty much how you can find people on the leaderboard. This is Radiant. Of course, I never got to that either. I think it only shows up to Immortal 1, so from Immortal 1 up to Radiant. So if you're below that, your name won't be on here. But that's okay, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!